Hello students, welcome to the next digital class session in which we will be taking Prose 8, Reach for the Top, Part 1. The prose is about one of the most renowned Indian personalities, Santosh Yadav. The lesson deals with the struggle of Santosh Yadav, who had to battle against conventional norms and gender inequality in a patriarchal society. Although she was born in an affluent family, yet the family was unsupportive towards her rebellious dreams. Gradually, the family realized that in front of her undeterred determination, they will have to give up. So they started supporting her. After struggling and battling with internal and external opposition, she came out as a winner. The first woman who climbed the heights of Mount Everest twice. She was awarded with Padam Shri, the highest civilian honor conferred in India by His Excellency then President of India. She has taught us many lessons of life. Successful people leave the trails behind for others to walk upon and succeed. Reach for the top is such an eventful illustration of the woman who broke the shackles of all social, physical and mental barriers to realize her dream. She has scaled the heights of success with her unconquerable determination. Santosh Yadav is an Indian mountaineer born in 1969. She is the first woman in the world to climb Mount Everest twice and the first woman to successfully climb Mount Everest from Kangshung Phase. She has climbed the peak first in May 1992, then again in May 1993. On 30th March 2000, the His Excellency President of India honored her with the award of Padam Shri, conferred with one of the highest civilian awards for her excellence in the field of mountaineering in the investiture ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi. Santosh Yadav has brought laurels to the country. There are multiple highlights in the life of Santosh Yadav. Let's have a look on few of the prose highlights to understand her better. Santosh Yadav was born in 1969 in a village, Joniawat of Rewari. She was the only sister of 5 elder brothers. She was born in the time when the male child was welcomed in the family, but her family welcomed her with all their love and might. She was a rebel and did not want to live like other girls of her village. She wanted to study and took admission in a school in a Delhi school against her parents' wish. She went to Jaipur for her higher education. She enrolled herself in Uttarakashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering without taking permission from her parents. At the age of 20 years, Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest and became the youngest woman to climb it. Within a year, she climbed Mount Everest again and became the only woman in the world to achieve this feat. She saved a fellow climber's life while climbing Mount Everest by sharing her oxygen. This shows the true humane cause which is hidden in her heart. She collected and brought down 500 kg of garbage from the Himalayas. This shows her concern. She is a true environmentalist. She was honored with one of the top civilian awards of India, the Padam Shri for her undeniable achievement. It took some time for the enormity of the movement to sink in. Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world. The feeling is indescribable. These are the words of Santosh Yadav when she shared her happiness and the pride she achieved on being at the top of the Mount Everest, unfurling Indian flag. She said she felt on top of the world when she was asked how she felt on successfully climbing Mount Everest. She wanted to say that she has climbed the highest peak in the world, and figuratively it expressed her degree of happiness, and it was indeed the happiest moment in her life. And for India, she says, when she stood on the top of the peak, she took some time to actually requested the feeling how grand an achievement it was. The unfurling of the Indian flag on the topmost point of the world was a moving moment for her. She felt proud that she had done something for her country. She says she cannot find appropriate words to describe exactly how she felt, but she says that she felt like an environmentalist because she even brought down 500 kgs of garbage from the Himalayas. She presented her concern towards degrading environment because of human activities. The words are less to describe the enormity of this personality, Santosh Yadav. Yet, we would like to call her as a winner, compassionate human being, true patriot, and fervent environmentalist. There is a lot to learn from this great personality. The biggest lesson to learn is you can scale the height of your dreams.